Hi, you ever wonder what a chiropractor does or what's all the cracking, twisting, and turning stuff all about? Well, in the olden days, my grandfather used to start his car with a crank and my dad used a key and I pressed the button. Technology has now allowed us to advance to this new technology called the ProAdjuster. It allows us to treat, analyze, and correct your spine precisely, very comfortably without all that twisting and turning, and it's fantastic. Our patients love it. We get great results. If you're interested in learning about it, make an appointment today.